Good evening, sir. I'm Mark Jimmer MPNR and this is my motherboard. So the first one po is yung 4DRM4 socket. Yan, tinuturo ko. Then next one po is yung power switch LED. Yan, maliit na nakikita nyo. Yan, lapit ko para makita nyo. Then next one is yung power supply control, kulay puti. Then next one is yung 6-pin SATA power. Then kasunod niya po is yung 6-pin main power, yung sa baba niyan. Yan. Then isa naman yung CMOS reset button, maliit na nakikita nyo. Yan, ituro ko. Then yung isang katabi sa baba naman niya is yung USB 3 port header. Yan, ituro ko rin guys. Then yung tatlo naman na yan is yung SATA connectors. Yan, yung tatlong blue na yan, yun yung SATA connectors. Then yung sa pinakababa is yung ceiling header guys. Yan, pinakamaliit yan sa baba, ceiling header yan. Then next one is yung front audio. Saan yung sinasaksak yung audio nyo guys, yan. Then yung next one po is PCI Express times 2 slots, yung dalawang block. Yung mahaba naman po is yung PCI Express times 16 slot. Then ito naman guys, yung parang pokeball, is yung RTC battery guys. Then the next one po is yung serial port header. Yan, tinuturo ko guys. Then yung tatlo naman na yan is yung audio in out jack, dalawa yan, ay tatlo pala, tatlo yan guys. Then yung kasunod naman niya is yung USB ports na dalawa, magka-connect yan. Then yung Ethernet port, then serial VGA ports. Tapos yung display ports, nakikita nyo ba? Nainis pa ako dyan. Nainis ako dun. PS2 keyboard mouse. Yan, kasi yung sinasaksak yung mouse nyo guys. Yan. Then yung CPU power. Yan, yung parang box na puti, CPU power yan. Then kasunod nyo is yung CPU socket. Yan, yung pinakamalaki, parang baraha. Yan, CPU socket yan guys. Then yung CPU fan connector, dyan kino-connect yung electric fan. Yun yung motherboard ko guys. Love you.